And off we go. Oops, sorry. And look at my poor, ooh. Okay, so listen to that. Look at my poor snowman out here. So, okay, change of plans. Because you're not going to be able to hear anything I say. So I'm going to get out on the trail and I'm going to walk my dogs. This is real life snow in up north when you got a bunch of animals. It's not so pretty after a while. They need to get out and get a walk, and Keith has carved me a path, and so we're going for a walk, you guys. Look, Apollo's got a jacket too, and he was crying. He wanted Mama to put it on, didn't he? Bye, honey. Yeah. There he goes. There was too many snowballs. He was, you know, I couldn't stop laughing the last time. So here we go, you guys. Woo! Ooh, everybody's doing their business. Well, that's why I'm out here. Right through my orchard. Look at that. But look at the tree. To me, it looks like ready to get going as soon as it warms up. I mean, they look healthy to me. Even this one has struggled so much. And I just don't know. Everybody else looks really good. Big fat buds. I like that. Not so much on these guys, but the apple trees for sure. All right, off we go into the woods. I'm hopefully done with my little buy-in spree for doggy clothes. Although I will need to purchase, and I looked through the bins and I think I missed out some little potty pants for her. And I think I could, yeah, we'll see what I gotta do. But I'll have to invest in some of those because I haven't had a female that's not fixed in quite some time. So that's coming up because it's already, hey, it's already February. Hey, Ruby, she can be something, y'all. All right, you hear that wind? It is whipping. I'm skating across the snow. Look at that. That snow's about a foot and a half at least, maybe more. About a foot and a half, I bet you. It's been a good winter. I mean, I haven't gone out and done lots of winter crazy stuff, but there's been lots of snow. Just pretty persistent, wet and cold, and I don't mind that, you know. It's winter. Let's do winter and let's get winter over with and move on to spring, which is always like rush. So yeah, I've been painting a little bit and taking it easy a little bit. Not much, you know. I got 4 men in that house, y'all. But Keith is washing the dishes for me right now, or he already did, so I could take my dogs for a walk before it got dark. So yeah, he did this for me yesterday, and he said, I don't know how y'all could walk that trail. And I said, she loves King of the Mountain. No surprise, huh? Look at her go. And her little shirt says Wild Thing. See, there you go, King of the Mountain. And Apollo likes her, of course, because he gets along with girls better, I think. And, you know, quit being mean, Ruby. Sorry. All right, y'all, I'm going to get on with my walk. You know, my internet's so slow. A 6-minute video takes forever. Ah, she's going to rip my clothes. I'm going to have to kill her. Quit it. All right, y'all. Look at the herd. Look at the trail. All right. Don't hit me. take it easy, everybody. Have a good night.